Hello everyone. Today we'll start the topic addition of Grignard reagents to the aldehydes and ketones. So this is an example of nucleophilic addition reaction which we have been studying from the previous lectures, and this is an important topic for the exams and also for higher studies. So let us start our topic. So this is carbonyl compound or aldehyde or ketone based on the substituents. And this is the Grignard reagent RMgX, where X is what? It is halide, and R is what? It is the alkyl group. So and Mg is magnesium. So first of all, we will see what is the nucleophilic part and what is the electrophilic part. So Mgx negative, it is the positive, it have the positive charge, and the alkyl group, it has the negative charge or partial negative charge. So we will denote it with delta negative and delta positive. Now the negative part or the nucleophilic part will attack on the carbonyl carbon. This we have studied in the previous lectures also. This will attack on the carbonyl carbon, and this double bond will shift towards oxygen to make negative charge on oxygen atom. Therefore, the Mgx part will get attached to the oxygen atom, and this R will get attached to the carbon atom, and you will get this type of adduct. So this is an adduct. Here oxygen is attached to the Mgx and carbon is attached to the R. Now if you add water to it, so you are adding water, and what will happen that the hydrogen will get attached to the oxygen atom and you will get an alcohol. So you will get alcohol and MgOHX as the side product. So this is the whole reaction. So this method is also used for preparation of alcohols. Methanol will give you the primary alcohol, and other aldehydes will give secondary alcohols with the Grignard reagent, and ketone will give the tertiary alcohol with the Grignard reagent. Let us see how. So this is methanol, HCHO, and we are adding the Grignard reagent RMgX to it. So what will you get? You will get this adduct. How? Because this alkyl group is attacking on the carbonyl carbon, and this Mgx will get attached to the oxygen atom, because this double bond shifts to oxygen atom to give it negative charge, and therefore the positive part will get attached to it, and you will get this adduct. Here R is attached to the carbonyl carbon and Mgx is attached to oxygen atom. And the next is hydrolysis. By adding water you will get the alcohol, the corresponding alcohol, because here instead of Mgx you will get hydrogen atom and you get this RCH2OH. So this is primary alcohol. This is 1 degree primary alcohol, and this is the side product MgOHX. So we conclude that with methanol you will get primary alcohol on addition of Grignard reagent. The second method is that if you change methanol with another aldehyde, any other aldehyde which will have R group here. So this is RCHO. So this is aldehyde, and here you are taking R-MgX. Okay. So now what will happen that here R will come, here R will come, here R dash, because this R dash is attached to the carbonyl carbon, and here Mgx is attached, and after hydrolysis you will get what? You will get secondary aldehyde, secondary alcohol. So because the hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom, to which two more alkyl groups are attached, so this is what? This is secondary alcohol. And MgOHX you will get as the side product. So what we conclude? With the aldehyde other than methanol, you will get secondary alcohol. Now third is the ketone. When you take ketone, then what will happen? Here there will be R group. You are adding R dash MgX. So here you will get 2R and third one is the R dash, and here also R and R dash. So what you are getting? You are getting tertiary alcohol with the ketone. Why? Because the alpha carbon where the hydroxy group is attached, it is attached to 3 alkyl groups, RR and R dash. So it is tertiary alcohol, and the side product is MgOHX. So what we concluded, that with methanol we get primary alcohol, with other aldehydes we get secondary alcohol, and with ketone we get tertiary alcohol. So these were the conclusions. And let us do one problem so that you can understand it better. So the question is that when you add methyl magnesium bromide to the propanone, then what will be formed after hydrolysis? So first we will add the Grignard reagent. So this CH3 part will attack on the carbonyl carbon, and MgBr will get added to oxygen atom. So you will get an adduct like this. So this CH3 has come from the Grignard reagent, and the oxygen will get attached to the MgBr. So this is the adduct. Then the question says what will be formed after hydrolysis. So after hydrolysis what you will get? You will get an alcohol which is this. And the side product will be MgOHBr. So the product we will get is this alcohol. So this is what? This is tertiary alcohol because our reactant was ketone. Now what is the name of this compound? Because it is having 3 carbon atom, it is propanol, and at the second carbon there is hydroxy group and methyl group. So 2-methyl propane 2-ol. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound. So this is how we will do these type of questions. So I hope you got this topic. Thank you.